Hello class, in this video I will be discussing Module 2 Lesson 5, which is related to integration of powers of cotangents and cosecants. Okay, so what are we going to do here is to integrate these types of integration: cotangent raised to mv, cosecant raised to nv dx. Okay, so how do we do it? Similarly dun sa lesson number 4, which is integration of powers of tangents and secants, ganito din sa cotangents and cosecants. Meron din tayong tatlong cases. First case is when m is any number and n is a positive integer greater than 2. So ang titignan mo dito is yung n. Kapag daw yan is positive even integer, never mind yung m kung ano man siyang numbers, kasi sabi naman is any number. So ang gagawin mo then is to separate cosecant squared v and then minus it dun sa pinagkunan mo. Okay, and then you just have to use this property. Cosecant squared v is equals to 1 plus cotangent squared v. Okay, so let's apply it in example number 1. Okay, so sabi niya dito is cotangent 4x cosecant 4x dx. Basta even number daw yung power ng cosecant mo at greater than 2, case 1 tayo. Okay, so copy lang natin si cotangent and then ihiwalay natin. Kailangan makahiwalay si 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2 din. Dapat mahiwalay natin yung cosecant squared x. Ayan. And then yung hiniwalay natin is use natin yung cosecant squared x is equals to 1 plus cotangent squared x. Okay, use natin yung identity na yan, cosecant squared x dx, and then distribute cotangent 4x cosecant squared x dx plus cotangent 6x cosecant squared x dx. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, pwede na tong substitution. Yung ang u natin is cotangent x. Ang du natin, diba, is ng cotangent x ay negative cosecant squared x dx. So meron lang tayong positive cosecant squared x dx dito. So we just have to multiply this by negative 1 para malipat si negative sa kabila. Then positive to. Okay? So ganun din, same scenario dito sa second term. So anong mangyari dito? Negative u du minus raised to 4, minus negative din kasi to, u raised to 6 du. So ang mangyari dito is negative u raised to 5 over 5 minus u raised to 7 over 7 plus c. Okay? Or, substitute na natin si u, negative cotangent raised to 5x over 5 minus cotangent raised to 7x over 7 plus c. Pwede na po itong final answer, or you may choose to simplify further. Next, case number 2 is when m is a positive odd. So kapag ang m mo daw ay positive odd and n is any number, ang gagawin natin is ihiwalay natin si cosecant v cot v, isang pares, and then i-minus natin yung hiniwalay natin. So ganun lang, and then you have to use this identity. Okay? So let's try in example number 2. So add si m. Okay, so anong gagawin? Mag-minus tayo ng isang cotangent saka isang cosecant. Okay, cotangent cube x cosecant cube x dx. Maghiwalay tayo ng isang pares. So, anong mangyayari? Pag inalisan ng isa to, magiging cotangent squared x. Pag inalisan ng isa to, magiging cosecant squared x. Tapos, ito yung inalis natin. Okay? Yan. Hiniwalay lang natin siya. And then, gagamitin natin si identity na cotangent squared x is equals to cosecant squared x minus 1. Okay? Yan. So, ito magiging cosecant squared x minus 1, cosecant squared x, cotangent x, cosecant x dx. Okay? And then, simplify natin. Magiging cosecant 4x, cotangent x, cosecant x dx, minus cosecant squared x, cotangent x, cosecant x dx. Okay. So, anong mangyari? If you remember, kung ang u natin dito ay cosecant x, ang du natin, diba, is negative cosecant x, cotangent x dx. So, ito na yon. Okay. So, dahil yan lang ang meron tayo, multiply natin to ng negative 1. So, magiging negative du cosecant x, cotangent x dx. Alright. So, same here. So, ganun din. So, anong mangyari dito is power. Magiging u raised to 4 negative du. So, negative to, magiging positive na yon. U squared du. Okay? And then, you just have to integrate u raised to, negative u raised to 5 over 5 plus positive u cubed over 3 plus c. Okay? Then, substitute back negative cosecant raised to 5x over 5 plus cosecant cubed x over 3 plus c. Yan. Okay, so that's the final answer, or you may simplify it further. Okay? And next, the last case is when m is a positive odd or even integer and n is 0. So, kung positive odd or even and then wala tayong cosecant, ang gagawin natin is ihiwalay natin yung isang cotangent squared v, and then we just have to use this property again. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? So, for example, add siya, tas walang cosecant, diba? Cotangent 5 4x dx. Hiwalay daw natin yung cotangent squared. So, ito magiging 3 4x cotangent squared 4x dx. So, tapos, gamitin daw natin yung cosecant squared x minus 1. So, anong mangyari dito? Magiging cotangent x, cotangent cube 4x, magiging cosecant squared 4x minus 1 dx, and then distribute natin. Magiging cotangent cube 4x cosecant squared 4x dx minus cotangent cube 4x dx. Ito, pwede pa nating i-apply si case 3 ulit. Magiging negative cotangent 4x cotangent squared 4x dx, and then use the identity, cosecant squared 4x minus 1 dx, and then let's distribute cotangent 4x cosecant squared 4x minus minus, so magiging plus cotangent 4x dx. Okay? And then let's bring down this one. Magiging cotangent cube 4x cosecant squared 4x dx. Okay? Minus integration of cotangent um, for x cosecant squared for x dx. Sorry, wala yung dx dito. And plus cotangent for x dx. Okay? Ngayon, ano kaya ang mangyari dito? Ito is babagsak to ng substitution. Ang u natin dito, ito tsaka ito. Actually, ang u natin dito ay cotangent for x. Okay? Ang du natin dito is negative cosecant squared for x for dx. Meron lang tayo nito. So, mag-multiply tayo ng negative 1/4. Okay? So, magiging negative 1/4 du is equals to cosecant squared for x dx. And next is ganun din dito. Okay? And ito, ang integration ng cotangent u du ay ln sin u plus c. So, ang final answer natin, pwede na tayo mag-integrate. Magiging u cube negative 1/4. Okay? du, kasi meron tayong negative 1/4 du as cosecant squared for x dx, and then yung u natin raised to cube. Ganun din dito, so negative 1/4 ay negative, magiging positive 1/4 u du. Okay? And then pwede na natin itong i-integrate as plus, sige, sulat muna natin, cot u du. Ang u natin dito is 4x. Ang du natin is 4dx. So, meron tayong 1/4 du is equals to dx. So, ito may 1/4 pa dito. Yan. Good. Now, pwede na tayo mag-integrate. Magiging negative 1/4 u raised to 4 over 4 plus 1/4 u squared over 2 plus 1/4 ln sin u plus c. So, hindi pa yan final answer. Kailangan natin i-substitute. Negative 1/4. Ano na yung u dito? Cotangent. Cotangent for x raised to 4 over 4. So, 16 na to. 1 over 16 plus 1 over 8. 1 over 8 cotangent squared. Tangent squared for x. Okay? Plus 1/4 ln sin for x plus c. Okay, so this can be the final answer, or you may simplify further. Okay, so I think that's okay now. And your self-assessment question 2.5 is this. So thank you for watching, and God bless.